of an unusual element, boron, but we do find it occasionally. It's a water-soluble chemical element. Again, it's on the periodic table. It has the symbol B. Boron is a particularly nasty one, so it has some really unpleasant effects. On the slide here, I'm saying that it has a negative effect on health, which is more prominent in children than adults, and that it has a negative atrophy effect on the reproductive organs. That's the really, really nice way of saying that it can cause testicular atrophy. Guys, I can see you squealing. Now, higher amounts of it can cause nausea, it can cause vomiting, it can cause erythema, which is a problem with the skin, and a whole host of other symptoms. It's really not something you want to be drinking a lot of. Luckily, it's not that common. Where it is found, it's normally where there's seawater ingress or geothermal ingress into the water supply. The maximum acceptable value that the drinking water standards gives us sits at 1.4 milligrams per litre, but I will put a little note there and say that the World Health Organization recommends a guideline value of less than 0.5 milligrams per litre. As far as what we can do about it, like if you have a domestic user who's found large amounts of boron in their supply, it's so difficult and expensive to remove. Right? If you're going to remove it, we're talking double pass reverse osmosis and pH adjustment in between. It's massive, it's expensive. The majority of domestic users just aren't going to go for it because of money, because of time, because of space, because of ongoing costs and all of that sort of thing. Now and again, we have done it in commercial situations. It's definitely possible to do it. The majority of domestic users are going to opt for a different water source. They're going to look at collecting rainwater off their roof, see if there's a spring nearby or something along those lines.